How to fix Instagram chats not showing. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and then go to the search bar here and search for Instagram. Now click on force stop and then click on the notifications management. Now turn off the notifications and enable them again. Go back and click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on this clear data and clear cache. That's it. Now you have to go back to the settings and click on the wireless and networks right here. Click on Wi-Fi, turn off the Wi-Fi and enable it again. And now you have to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.